Hey guys, welcome back. In this tutorial, we're going to learn how to download and install Adventureworks database. So what I'm going to do first is I'm just going to go to google.com. We can also go to microsoft.com, but I'm just going to do it from Google. And then I'm going to search for download Adventureworks database or sample database, either one. And then we're going to go to our first result from microsoft.com. So I'm just going to click here. So here you'll see a bunch of links to download BAK file, which is like a backup file. So you have the OLTP version, the data warehouse, and then the lightweight version. So if you're working with like warehouses, or if you want to work with something like lighter with like fewer tables, you can also download this lightweight one. But we are just gonna stick with our OLTP one, which is the most common one. So here, based on the version of your SQL Server Management Studio, you can download either one of this. So I'm gonna download 2019, or actually 2017 is pretty much the same too. There's not much difference. So I'm just gonna click on this 2017 version. It's gonna download this BAK, the backup file. So here you see it's downloaded already. Okay, now what we're gonna do is we're gonna go to our SQL Server Management Studio and expand on the databases. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna right click on databases and click on restore database, because we are restoring that backup file. That BAK is the backup file, so we are restoring it. So here we're gonna click on device, click on this ellipse or three dots here, and then I'm gonna click on add. So here you see there's nothing in there because it wasn't downloaded in this backup folder. So I'm just gonna copy the link here, and what I'm gonna do is I am gonna open it in a new tab. And then from our downloads, I'm just gonna copy and paste it here. You can also like just cut and paste it there, but I'm just gonna copy paste it here. So it's in our backup folder. So now when you, okay, let's just click on refresh. So now when we click on refresh, it should be there. So I'm gonna select this 2017 backup file. I'm gonna click OK, then OK again. So you see it's gonna restore this backup file into this Adventureworks 2017 database. So this is where it's gonna go, and I'm gonna click on OK. Then it's gonna take a little bit, and it says database Adventureworks 2017 restored successfully. Okay, so we just installed our 2017 Adventureworks database. So I can just click on new query, or I can actually just right click here, and then I'm just gonna say new query here. And now if you expand this, you're gonna see like a bunch of tables here. So Adventureworks is like a sample database of this fictitious company. So you see it has a bunch of objects here. You'll see a bunch of tables. You have a bunch of views if we expand it here. And then store proc. So you have all sorts of like objects here that you can play with. So if you're working with SQL, or if you're trying to learn SQL, I would highly recommend you download and install this Adventureworks database. So now that we are here, let's just select top 10 all from our, let's say, person here. So if we select from it, so you see all of this is like sample data. Okay, if you found this helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and let me know if you guys have any questions. Thank you for watching.